We rolling?
It's rolling.
Strawberry Pop-Tart.
Strawberry Pop-Tart.
We woke up way too early this morning. The shocks on this thing feel outstanding.
It is Friday the 27th, 6 a.m. We are loaded up and ready to go to Hammertown. Car's in a really good spot. Everything's ready. We're bringing the whole city with us. So we just have a solid 2 days of driving to get out there. A couple little stops along the way, but we're excited to be out on the lake bed, get some solid pre-running in, and get rolling.
As you can see, everything is disgusting. It was snowy, but we made it. We're out of the snow. I mean, it's still kind of snowing, but it's not accumulating here. So hopefully smooth sailing all the way to St. George from here, but we'll see. We're like, what, 3 hours behind schedule already in normal fashion, but we got pizza and beer ahead of us. So keep on trucking, as Mav would say.
Hey dude, did you see that box truck over there? Look at that thing.
Where? Oh, that box truck. Oh man.
Nasty.
That looks like shit. We would definitely be there by now if you're 80 started.
Yeah, you should definitely mooch off of it.
It's her fault. It's like 20 degrees. Let's see.
It's definitely like 40.
No. It's 20.
Control F beep. Call Hayden and fix your radio while Googling, while watching a movie, listening to a podcast, and simultaneously driving and planning out our gas and food stops. I also look down to hook my microphone on the hook and I'm in the opposite lane.
Alright guys, we've got about 2 hours left till we get to our resting spot for the night in St. George. We've got fuel in the race car, fuel in the drums. Yeah, we should be mostly good, so we'll update you whenever we get to our final resting spot. Alright guys, sorry I forgot to introduce us. So we've got Media, the Dalton guy.
The mechanic, the Cameron.
Mechanic, the Cameron. And then back behind us, you can see his terribly lit lights. Hayden the crew pit. Yeah, Hayden the crew pit.
So we just pulled up to the Jungalow here in St. George. Let's introduce you guys.
I think you should lay under a camera.
Welcome! Welcome!
Hey, welcome!
Hey, welcome! Thanks, welcome!
Hey, welcome!
Thank you!
Welcome, this is the Jungalow.
Thank you! Oh! Oh!
She wants the fun!
Get the dead cat! Get the dead cat! Get it!
Oh, sorry, my hands are full. Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Will.
Hey, welcome.
It's Will.
Welcome.
Hey, bark. He didn't bark. Speak.
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome. I say welcome.
Welcome.
How do you feel about King of Hammers?
Just bring your beers. It's really good.
It blends in.
You comfortable? Welcome.
Welcome.
There we go.
Day 2 hammers?
Day 2 hammers. We're gonna drive to California and hopefully it all goes smooth.
Go get camper. Go get some food.
Go get some
We're gonna
food.
at least eat like 7 McGrills.
Hell,
7 McGrills.
yeah.
Between, like each? Oh, just you.
Just Dalton.
Just all.
Just Dalton. Where we at?
We are in St. George.
St.
It is
George.
cold. We have to wash all the dirt off of these bad mambo jambos, and we're off to Hammers. Give the new guys a tour while the other guys go pick up the camper for the week. The weeks. Oh,
Yeah, this
the
is actually for
waffles.
you. It's actually for you.
For me?
Yeah. Yeah. Hold on.
Sponsored by
Lenny and Larry's.
Wow, thanks, dude. you're a Toyota guy. What do you think about the fog lights that blind every other driver as you're passing them on the road?
Which fog lights?
I don't know.
No. See, these ones are SAEs. They're not bright.
Oh, so
they're-
you
they're
actually
dead.
follow the rules.
I
Unlike
do.
those guys.
That's right.
Losers. What do you think? You're also a Toyota guy. What do you think about fog lights that people leave on that blind every other driver on the other side of the road?
So normally I'm against it.
Typically found in Toyotas.
Where's the however?
However,
See?
if you look down here, these are Baja Design Squadron SAE approved lights.
Oh, this is an ad now?
Yeah, so shout out Baja. We love those guys. These are no, these are yes.
No.
The guys who run these on the road,
No.
no, yes.
Yes.
No, yes.
Yes.
Same, different. You know? So,
Thanks, Trevor.
yeah, you're welcome.
We made it. We're not in our pit spot because King of the Motos is this weekend and they're using all the spots towards the front for that. So we're gonna be, I guess, here, or if someone kicks us out of here, somewhere else for the tonight and tomorrow night. But they are dropping the trailer behind the Super Duty. They're loading up and then headed out to San Bernardino, I think, or I don't know where they're going, but they're going to pick up a camper so that we can sleep in that tonight, because right now the only camper we got is Will's. So, yeah, and go grocery shopping so we can eat. But we're here.
Nope.
What the heck?
Hi, good morning, guys. It is 6 a.m. on Sunday. We're gonna go out and shoot the launch photos for the race car. Got pretty much everything caught up on it. Yeah, the boys went up to Temecula, California, which is about, I don't know, two and a half hours one way to pick up the camper and bring it here. So we've got a nice cozy place to stay while we're at Hammers. But yeah, we're gonna get the race car up and going.
It's cold, very cold outside. The sun's looking like it's starting to come up a little bit behind the mountains here, behind Fisher.
Yes.
So it's gonna be a beautiful morning, nice and clear.
Sunrise was 6:45, but I'm gonna guess it's probably like a half hour later because of the lake event. So hopefully we get to do it soon.
We rolling?
It's rolling.
Strawberry Pop-Tart.
Strawberry Pop-Tart.
We woke up way too early this morning. The shocks on this thing feel outstanding. I'm gonna give Scott a hug when he gets here, even though he may not like that, because this is the best the car has ever felt in anything. So really excited to put some more time into those. I can't imagine what more tuning's gonna do because it already feels amazing. Small issues on the car still. Alternator is not charging again, but it's not the same issue as it was at the shop. So we're gonna be chasing that. And then small power steering leak and a few minor things, but it's feeling really good. This is probably the best the car's ever felt the first time out here. So good start. We're gonna go watch some dirt bikes start though. It'll be fun. So we are hunting down our charging issue. They're setting up tents behind us, but we're gonna pull the dash and start basically looking at all the plugs going into the factory computers, looking for any loose wires, and hopefully we can figure it out so that tomorrow we can focus all of our time on tire testing with Kenda, and dialing in these shocks to make sure that everything's ready to go for shock tuning later in the week. So yeah, the beginning of the motor race was sick. Really stoked on that. Yeah, let's get to work. We drove the car for 30 minutes.
We did.
We got a little bit of video of it. And then it died.
It did.
And then we got it undead.
Why did it die?
No charging. Can you hear me? You're breaking up. Because it was not charging, and then we could not figure out why it was not charging over the course of 12 hours.
Sweet. Where are we at with that? Do we discover the issue?
We have decided that the brand new alternator is a bad brand new alternator. So we're going to put a brand new alternator that is hopefully not a bad brand new alternator in.
Okay.
But in the meantime, shitty weather tomorrow.
Yes.
So we're going to get some sleep because we didn't sleep last night more than 4 hours.
Correct.
Some of us are already getting some sleep. So now it's our turn to get some sleep. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to try and keep cranking these out with our limited internet, but we're having fun. We're in Hammertown, and yeah, enjoy. Don't forget, use code Motorsports, 7% off on the website. Anything Sherpa products, 7% off.
7% off.
7% off. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for the pace notes there, Will.
Backseat driver. Backseat driver.